Hello guys. Okay, so this is just a continuation on my previous video. Okay, so this is transformation parts 2024 GCE. So we are done with vocabulary that was on question 1. Okay, so question 2, transformations. So this is 10 marks, guys. So look at number 1. You're supposed to rewrite this sentence without changing the meaning. Okay, so we have he borrowed a plate from Frida. Okay, so they are asking you to write this sentence start with Frida. So guys, what you have to remember here is that you borrow from, okay, and you lend to. Okay, these are verbs, so they also have their past tense. Remember? Yes. So in this case, borrow, they've used the past tense borrowed. So meaning when writing, you're supposed to use the past tense of lend. Lend. So Frida, the past tense of lend is lend. So Frida lends, okay, lent him a plate. Okay. Frida lent him a plate. Okay. Meaning Frida was giving to, as I said earlier. Those are the two prepositions that will be helping you to remember. You borrow from and you lend to. Okay, let's go to number 2. Even if Mabuto played very well, he failed to score a goal. So look at this, guys. Even if is a contrast word. Remember, I said I've made a video. You should look it up. So even if it's a contrast word, a contrast word is just a word that connects two ideas that are not similar. Okay, so we have examples: nevertheless, nonetheless, however, even moreover. We have although. Okay, yes, even whatever, all those are contrast words. So in this case, we are asked to rewrite starting with no matter. So remember, no matter here replaces even if, because no matter is also a contrast word. It's a repetition if we use it in the sentence. Okay, together with this one. Okay, so we'll say no matter. So remember, when using no matter, we are supposed to use we can either use what, how, who. You can also use um, uh, when for time. Okay, so they are called the WH questions in English. Okay, so look at this. No matter, we use how. Okay, they will be replaced. So we'll say no matter how well Maputo played, comma, he failed to score a game. No matter how well Maputo played, he failed to score a goal. Okay, guys, I hope you're taking note because as you can see, I don't have space here, my small board. Okay, so just take those notes. Yes, if you didn't hear me, you can repeat. You can just watch over through, yes, the video. Okay, let's go to number 3. Yes, if you need more clarification, please, you can look it up, the meaning of no matter, or you can Google it. Okay, the meaning, the using no matter. So that's it. Okay, let's go to 3. She said that she would meet all the concerned parties that day. This is reported speech, guys. They want you to take it to direct speech. So as you can see, these are open. This is a inverted commas. This is open inverted comma. This is a closed inverted comma. So if they say she said comma and then they open, they want you to show the actual words spoken by someone. So in this case, we have things that change. Things like pronouns change. Things like auxiliary verbs, like would will change to will in direct speech. Okay, she will be I. Then that day will change to today. Okay, it's called the adverb of time. Adverb of time. Okay, so let us rewrite. So just say, I will meet all the concerned parties today. If you even close the in fact, it's already closed for you. Full stop. It's as simple as drinking water. Okay, just master the changes. Okay? Yes. So, like I said, adverbs of place, adverbs of time, they change. Okay? Adverbs of frequency here in this case. Now they won't change. Okay, so but look at the mm, pronouns like she they are changing. Auxiliary verbs they're changing. Would does change to will, indirect. Adverbs of time that's changed that day to today. So more questions come here. If we have the following day, it's tomorrow. Changes to tomorrow here in direct speech. Okay, but since this is that day, the use is today. Okay, let's go to number 4. Remember number 3 before I proceed. Number 3, I've made a video on direct speech and indirect speech. You can look it up on YouTube or even Facebook. You come direct speech, changing direct speech to indirect speech, to just have more light on this one. Okay, number 4. As soon as they brought the issue to my attention, they left. Supposed to be a comma here. They left. So they want you to change scarcely. Change this sentence transform starting with scarcely. So what you have to know is that as soon as will be replaced by scarcely. Okay, I mentioned this. Remember, if they don't use scarcely here, they will use hardly. Hardly. Okay, hardly. So both scarcely, hardly, they always go with when here when connecting this idea to this idea. Okay? Yes. So to confuse you, they can use seldom. Yes, that's all the same. Okay. Yes. So our answer I would say scarcely, so use hard here. Scarcely hard, you can use hard or you can either use hard or did. Scarcely hard, they brought the issue to my attention. Don't forget your when here. When they left, I repeat, scarcely had they brought the issue to my attention when they left. Okay, full stop. All right, please don't add any comma here because we are when is connecting these two ideas. Full stop. Okay, guys, question 5 to 10 we'll answer during class. So if you haven't registered, please register. My number is on the screen. Okay, at an affordable fee. You can either call or text to find out about the price. The fee. Okay, guys, thank you so much for your time. This has been Tutamak on this 18th August 2026. I hope you study wisely. You still have ample time for my grade 12 classes. Okay, and for the Form 2 and other classes, continue following me. The future is bright. Okay, all right. So you can try, those of you guys who are under my class, you can try to answer 2024 GCE, the rest of the questions that I haven't answered, and then send it on my WhatsApp number. I'll go through, mark, then we'll discuss during class. Okay, guys, thank you so much. Have a lovely day. Stay blessed.